Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, welcome to Entry. I, Deepani Bhardwaj, welcomes you all again, and today we are going to discuss SBI clerk's job profile. See, since we are ready to give the examination, we must be aware what type of job is it, what are we going to work in it, isn't it? So we'll be discussing each and everything regarding it. So it is important to know the profile, role and job responsibilities of a bank clerk since we are applying the form. So it's not only about the salary. See, salary plays a significant role, no doubt. It's the main motivating factor, no doubt. But you must be aware what are you going to do there after being the clerk, isn't it? So knowing the functions beforehand not only saves you from the unexpected surprises while on duty, but also gives you an extra edge in being aware of certain facts which are not known to others. Who are these? These are the freshers. So you must be aware of all the job responsibilities. It should not be like that. We were thinking that bank's job is very cool, and just when we get those jobs, we say no, it was not for which I was preparing. So you must be aware of each and everything, isn't it? So all the selected candidates for the clerical positions will be on a probation period of 6 months. After this period, they are assessed either through a short test or performance review and confirmed as a permanent employees. So in this video, we'll not discuss about the salary part, we'll just discuss about the different roles that are played by an SBI clerk. Fine. So talking about the job profile. So for any visitor or customers, clerk are the first point of contact for inquiries and guidance, and you know that very well. As a customer, whenever you reach a bank, you never contact any of the manager, isn't it? You directly ask clerk regarding your query. Whatever your query is, you just ask clerk what we should do or what we should not do regarding, no matter it is for the depositing of money, no matter it is for the FD, it may be anything. The first person to visit is none other than clerk, isn't it? So like the clerks in any other public sector banks, the SBI clerk is a single window operator who would be in contact with the customers. The SBI junior associate or the SBI clerk has to manage customer inquiries and to help them out with the different bank services. Fine. Now, talking about single window operator, their work is to deliver the checkbooks which subject to the authorization of competent authority. Another work is to issue check receipts and recount the currency notes. Another work is receipt of checks, drafts, dividend warrants, pay orders and other like instruments other than bills and giving acknowledgement in the counter file. Then comes their work as a passing and cash payment of all the checks, withdrawal forms, banker checks, gift checks, etc. Another post is of head cashier, where head cashier's work is to verify the vernacular signatures and endorsements, sorry, countersigning checks or drafts, payment orders, deposit receipts, etc., attending to the government treasury work, passing independently, clearing and transfer checks, cash vouchers, etc. Then comes the special assistants, whose work is to pass independently, manually or online cash instruments and clearing and transfer checks, vouchers, signing vouchers, checks, drafts, mail transfer, pay orders, advices such as non-payment advices, inter-branch, freight calling advices, bills, schedules, demands notice, statement certificates, etc., checking manually or online current savings and other accounts, and briefly explain the feature of bank's various products and services to the customers, to reply their queries and to refer interested to appropriate personnel. So there are different ports along this section. So if I take a brief idea of exactly what's their working, so in this you will be able to understand the exact working of the SBI clerk's job profile. So the SBI clerk job profile includes but are not limited to the front desk customer handling, that is customer inquiries, familiarizing them with the banking services, products, etc. A clerk works as a cashier to help the customers with withdrawals, managing receipts, deposits, loans, etc. To open a new account or to close an account, to issue mini statements, to manage loans, wealth portfolios, etc. Then comes the back office documentations, document scrutinization, data entry works, etc. So these work are basically for the SBI clerk. And apart from that, let me tell you, if you're working in a proper way and you have a talent, you can be promoted to the next level, that is you'll be promoted as a manager also. So the only thing you have to do is to give your best, and no doubt, well, no matter it is SBI clerk's job or it's PO's job, the main thing is that you have to be serious with your job. Please try to understand each and everything that are related to it. Don't think that it is my work or this is not my work, because once you understand each and everything, later on it is going to help you out, because as a manager you need to know each and everything so that you can handle those issues easily. Fine. So all the very best for your examination, and I hope that you will be sitting in the SBI bank within few days or months. Fine. So thanking you for watching this video. So do please comment there, like it and share as much as possible.